Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to take your marketing material to the next level? Look no further than Fiverr's vibrant community of broker designers. In this video, we'll explore the art of broker design and how these talented designers can help you create competent brokers that captivate your audience and drive results. And to start with this wonderful service on Fiverr, head on over to Broker Design Fiverr and choose this one here, Broker Design Servers by freelance broker designers. And this is, like you see with me here, the homepage or the interface of the website where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on the website, and also the search bar, the notification, the inbox, and the list, and the order, of course, and also your account from here where you can find the profile or post a request, refer a friend, or how to become a seller, and also the setting, that means if you want to change the password, the username, the photo of the profile, and more. And also we have the information of the billing and payment, and if you want to change the language, the currency, and also if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center, and if you want to log out, you can do it from here. And I have here the results about the broker design. I have 8,413 results. Is very big number. You can filter them by these options over here: the service options, seller details, about guest, and delivery time. For the service option, we have, you can filter them by the purpose, like you see with me here. If you choose the corporate, it will become 2,311. The number is minimizing, promotional, other, real estate, and plus for more. You have by service include, and also the same thing for the seller details. The seller level, we have top rated seller, new seller. Always the new seller has a cheap gig than the top rated seller. We have these two levels, and the language that the seller speak, and also the country that the seller live in. And for the budget, that means the price, the minimum to the maximum, and you can just choose, click on apply to activate the filter. And delivery time, we have these four choices here: express 24 hours, up 3 days, 7 days, or any time. And the same thing, you can just click on apply. And if you want to see just the pro services, you can click on this one here to activate it. All the local sellers, that mean they live in your same area. And also if you want to see the online sellers, their gigs. So this is the results over here. So like you see here, Fiverr hosts a diverse community of talented graphic designers who specializes in creating stunning and effective broker designs. Whether you need a broker for your business, an event, a product launch, or any other purpose, you can find skilled designers who can bring your vision to life and create a broker that leaves a lasting impression. So now let's suppose that you like this gig here, and you want to see it later. You can just click on this heart here to save it to the list to find it later, and your list over here. Now let me show you how to buy a gig and the different information that you need to enter, or the steps that you need to do to buy the gig successfully. First thing is that to choose the gig, and to read the information about it, that means the seller, and this is the sentence that she presents her gig from us or for us. I will design an attractive broker for your business, and also how many stars he gets, how many people are by the gig, and also the price from $70. And later I will show you why the price is from and not specifically $70. Now to buy the gig, you need simply to click on the image for the gig, and see the different designs for the same seller and the same gig. And read the information about the gig and also about the seller. The localization, she's from Morocco, the language that she talks, English, Arabic, French, Spanish. Whenever she is a member since April 2017, and the last delivery was about 3 hours. And also we have some overviews from another person, that means a commands. You can just read them to be very. And like we all know, Fiverr allows you to collaborate closely with designers to create customized broker design tailored to your specific requirements. You can provide your branding guidelines, content, imagery, and any specific design elements you want to include, ensuring that the final broker links with your brand identity and effectively communicates your message. So the different steps that you need to, or the first step that you need to do to buy the gig is that to choose a plan. We have three different plans. The first one is the basic with $70. It's called the starter. You have a simple 4-page broker and 5 days delivery, unlimited revision. You have files ready for brands, include source file and 5 commercially licensed images. The standard one is $150. The standout. In this package, you will get brands ready JPG, PDF, PCD, IA, and EPC files. Page 4 interlace page. You have 6 days delivery, unlimited revision. You have these 3 services. The files ready for brands include source file, then commercially licensed images. The premium one is always the most expensive one, is with $240. In this package, you will get brands ready JPG, PDF, PCD, IA, and EPC files. Page plus 10 pages. 7 days delivery. Unlimited revision. You have files ready for brands, include source files and commercially licensed images. The first thing that you need to do is to choose your perfect plan. I will try by the basic one. Click on continue and choose the quantity from the gig that you want. Of course, the price will be different. And if you want to add any service from this one, of course, with their own price, the extra fast for day delivery, additional revision, you need just to click on this small place, and after that click on continue. So now before you enter your payment information, you need to read all of that to be very sure that you want to buy this gig with this price here is become $776.35 the total, with the total delivery time with 5 days. And the other thing is to choose the payments method. You have two methods here. Credit, debit card. You need to choose enter your card number. It contains 16 numbers. You will find it in front of the card, the expiration date, the month, the year, the security code, the first and the last name, and they should be legal. And after that you need to confirm and pay. And if you choose the payable, you need just to click on this blue button here to check out and pay or buy the gig successfully. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me say you bye bye to the next video and next website.